Laptops, iPhones, iPads away. Earphones out of your ears. 5, 4, 1, 0. Okay. All right. Today I want to talk about the quiz that we took on Friday. We're going to go over the answers to the question. But first, I would like the following people to stand up. Mr. Vladimir, who got a 99% on the quiz. Go Vlad. Kayun, 98. Stand up, please. Kayun got a 98. Alex Chen got a 94. Jack, 93. And Luke, 91. All right, everybody. Very good. I'm going to give you $5 million after school in cash. So please wait for me over there. If I don't show up right away, you should stay there at least 3 or 4 hours waiting for me to come with the money. Okay? Some of you guys didn't do well on the quiz. Some of you guys didn't do well on the quiz. And don't worry. It's okay. You can do better on the next quiz. Some of you ask me, can I take the quiz again? And I've decided that I don't want to do that anymore. Because what happens is, if you think, should I study for Mr. Hawkins' quiz or not study? If I don't do good on this quiz, I can take it again. I'd rather play games. So, from now on, you take the quiz, you get a grade, that's the grade, okay? But I am going to do something for you to be nice, because I'm so nice. I'm going to take your lowest quiz grade and get rid of it. So bye-bye. So if you got an F on a quiz, don't worry, I'll get rid of it. So you get 1 quiz grade free. Everybody understand? Yeah. So that's that. Also, I still haven't decided, but we have people at different levels. We have advanced speakers, intermediate speakers, and basic level speakers. I still have to go through and figure out who's in what group, but I will give extra points for the people who are in the basic level. All right? Okay, so let's look at this quiz. Was it super handsome? Thank you. Good. All right. So let's start with the first question. Industrialization. Who knows this? Vlad, tell me.
She knows.
Sorry? She knows?
Building more and more factories.
Okay. Anastasia, tell me. One more time. Building more and more factories. That is correct. Building more and more factories. Everybody, what's a small horse? Pony. It's Max, right? All right. Max. Very good. Pony. What's fast and quick? Another way of saying it? Kayun. Huh? Express. Very good. A bad person who steals and kills people. Somebody new? A bandit. What is it? Bandit. That's right. We're going to see it later on. Lance. There we go. All right. Next one. Express. We already had it. Quick, somebody new. Tell me, Cloud. Fast and quick. Very good, Cloud. A space of time. Space of time. Who says this? Not quite. A space of... oh, wait. Say it again. Period. Yes, very good, Cloud. Period. Like period 7, period 5. It's a space of time. All right. To get bigger. I want to give first chance to people who didn't get A's on the quiz.
Express.
What was it? To get bigger. Who can remember this word?
Bigger is so.
There's a word for it.
It's the one people when you can so big.
Yeah, what's the word? Begins with an E. E-X. X. X. Vlad's about to go crazy. Vlad, tell us. Expansion. Very good. All right. Buffalo. Tell me, Edgardo.
It's a big.
It's a big animal, right? Has long hair. It's brown. Have horns? Yeah, they have horns.
You know, in the race they
No, they don't.
one
They don't have horns.
In
that
China, they don't.
his name is Buffalo. It's
They
very
don't have
very
long
state.
hair.
Yeah.
I'm serious. In China, they don't have.
In China, they don't have.
long hair.
Here. Okay, very good. Okay, the next one. How strong a country is. Can control people, military, for example. If these guys can't get it, I'll give it to Vlad. Huh? Powerful? Was that the word? Who said that? Who said powerful? Max did? Powerful is definitely right. Was that the word? Vlad, tell us. Huh? Power. Yeah. So powerful, power are good answers. Very good. When one thing is different or more important. Jerry, tell me. Especially. Very good. Especially. Change. You're doing very good in school, especially in U.S. history, where you have an A++. Right? That's an example. Thomas is really good at sports, especially basketball. I don't know if it's true or not. But, all right.
Yeah, it's true.
Is it true? Is he good at basketball? All right. A big animal with long hair, fur, and horns. This should be really easy. Raise your... All right, Tony. Very good. That's good. The more times we hear words, they say that you have to see a word. They say that you have to see a word in another language 17 times before you remember it. So the more times you guys see the words, the better. All right. To spread. Anastasia.
Just spread.
Uh-huh. No, that's a good try.
It's population.
Tell me. Change. A. Read it for me. Shh, shh, shh. I want to hear change. One more time, change. Excellent. Very good. To move out and away from a place. Very good. What about how many people there are in a place? Somebody new?
New.
Somebody either new or with no, who didn't get an A. Lance? Population. Very good, Lance. All right. When one thing is different or more important is, somebody with no points yet? When one thing is different or more important, we talked about it. When somebody's good at sports, basketball. Somebody new? With no points?
Play basketball.
Begins with an E.
Especially.
Okay, I'm not going to give anyone points. Especially was the word.
Especially.
All right. This next word begins with a C. A big, big piece of land, South America or Europe. First chance for people with no points. Huh?
No, can't.
Continue.
I'm going to give Tony some points for trying.
And me.
Continue.
Right? Don't say the word. Somebody new. Thomas, you know what the word is? A big, big piece of land like that right there.
Yeah.
Begins with a C. Con. Very good, Thomas. All right. Excellent. Continent is the word. We've already seen it. Tell me, Max. A. Can you read it for me?
One thing is different or more important.
Excellent. Very good, Max. All right. Fast and quick is everybody?
First,
Express. Very good. Small horse is called? Pony. Very good. Road. Okay, this one, don't say, if you know the answer, don't say it. I want you to raise your hand. Road or way to get somewhere. I'm going to give first chance to somebody who has no points and didn't get an A. Jack got an A. Is there anyone else? Somebody who hasn't said anything yet? Bill? Cedric's not here. Is Bill here? No, there's Bill. Bill, you want to take a chance? Road or a way to get somewhere. Do you remember the word? No, not quite. Jack?
Different. Special.
You said route, right? Very good. The word is route. Like that. Route. All right. Power. We already talked about it. Raise your hand if you know it. Edgardo.
Is the get bigger?
Get bigger? Not quite. I'm still going to give you a point. Thomas. Wait, I'm sorry. Change. Do you have... Thomas and change. You're equal. Okay, go ahead, Thomas. Shh. Say D. Can you read it for me? Example. Very good. How strong a country is can control people, military, for example. Very good, Thomas. All right. When one thing is different or more important? Especially. A space of time? Period. Very good. To get bigger?
blood.
Expansion. Very good. Expansion is?
To get bigger.
To get bigger. All right. Space of time is? Period. How many people there are in a place? Population. To move out and away from a place. To spread. Very good. To flee. This is a new one. Okay. If you know this, don't say it. Raise your hand. Anybody with no points yet? Vlad's going crazy. Vlad, go ahead.
To run away.
To run away. Very good. Anastasia, can you tell me what, like a farm, but where there are many cows and horses, where cowboys live? Do you remember this word? Begins with an R. Ranch. Very good, Anastasia. Okay, Anastasia, you got an A for today. Cloud has an A. Lance, Max, Thomas, Tony, and Vlad as well. All right.
What are you doing?
What's the word for how many people there are in one place? Tell me, change. Population. Very good.
Population.
All right. And Jack, what do you call it when somebody runs away when there's danger? To flee. Very good. Which is the answer to this question right here. All right. Looks like everybody's going to have A's today. Root. Bill? This word right here, we talked about it? You know which one it is? D? Okay, can you read it for me? Somewhere. Very good. Road or a way to get somewhere is route. All right, very good. Ranch. Ranch. Somebody with no points yet? Kayun? Do you remember ranch?
Is it like a farm, but where it?
Like a farm, but where there are too many cows or horses.
I told you.
Okay, I'll give you a point.
Land.
Edgardo got a point too. Okay, everybody's got an A for today, okay?
Everybody free?
Period, space of time.
That way is easy.
All right, here's a new one. Change the face of. Anastasia, go ahead.
Way of saying make big changes.
A way of saying make big changes. To change the face of
Answer the
means to make big changes. Anastasia studied, very good. Oh, you're supposed to take the quiz today, aren't you?
No,
Okay, we'll do that after this.
she didn't.
Gosh, I'm giving you all the answers right before the quiz. We'll talk after this.
She did for
I forgot Anastasia has to take the quiz.
science, no for physics.
Oh, you're right. Right, for science, not tomorrow. Okay. Very good. Thank you, Vlad.
You're welcome.
All right, factory. What's a factory? Any new people? Thomas, you know?
A place where you
Place where you build things. Very good, Thomas. Thomas is kicking butt today. Wealth.
Oh,
Change, tell me.
the money usually a lot of money.
Very good. Money. Usually a lot of money. You can say, Max is wealthy. That means he has a lot of money, right? Okay, very good. Change. Immigrant. Immigrant. Anastasia's got A. Anybody else?
Me,
Immigrant.
I need points.
Jack, tell me.
Be a person who goes to other countries.
B, a person who goes to another country. Very good. All right. Transcontinental. Bill, you want to try?
Did you see that?
Me t-shirt.
Wait, I just did Thomas. Tell me, Alex.
Hey,
A, something like a railroad that goes across a continent. So remember, a continent is like a big piece of land. Trans means across. Transcontinental. It goes all the way across the continent.
you mean A plus.
A plus for Alex. I forgot to give you your point. Okay, at this point, everybody's got an A, okay? Yes, Anastasia, what? Go ahead. Go ahead.
A big request and some above.
Very good. A big, big piece of land, South America, Europe, etc. Very good. Orphan.
I know. Leave.
Okay, Edgardo, tell me.
Anastasia knows everything.
Oh, I
Is
know.
that a children who has no parents?
A child who has no parents is an orphan. A child who has no parents is an orphan.
I am
Population. I'm going to go quick because we're running out of time. How many people there are in a place? Pony?
Pony?
Small horse. Very good.
But me?
Everybody's got points. Everybody's got an A today. There was a couple words that we didn't talk about here. What about a person whose age 13 to 18? What do you call a person who's age 13 to 18? Tell me, Bill. Teenager. All right, Bill. Very good. No cell phones. I take points away for cell phones.
No. Soft?
Yeah, soft phones.
I know. Why you say soft?
Okay. All right. Now let's look at these were like you were supposed to write 3 or 4 sentences, 2 or 3 sentences. What does cause and effect mean? This question had 4 parts.
I know.
So in order to get 100%, you had to do 4 things.
I did.
First of all, what does cause and effect mean? Vlad?
It's a rule.
A rule. It's supposed like a rule. Tell me, Claude.
like if something happened and some another thing happened because they think.
Exactly. So first you had to tell me, what does cause and effect mean? Not give me an example, but tell me what it means. So just like Claude says, when one thing happens and because of that, another thing happens. Right? When one thing happens, it causes another thing to happen. So that was 25% of the question. Then you had to give me 3 examples. And notice I say, of your own. This means you had to give me a new example, not the one from the test. So 3 questions of your own. Yes, exactly. That's a good example. So, first you had to answer the thing, and then you had to give me 3 examples. So that's how you got 100 points. Okay? Everybody understand? All right. So, Thomas just gave me an example. Who can give me another example of cause and effect? Tell me, Claude.
Because Jack studied hard, in fact he have a good grade.
That's right. Because Jack studied hard, he has a good grade. Let's have 3 more examples. 3 more examples. Some more examples, cause and effect. Vlad, tell me.
I'm tired today because I did not sleep last night.
Vlad is tired because he didn't sleep last night.
That's true.
Anybody else, an example?
Cause and effect.
I'm strong because I'm cool.
He's strong because he's cool.
It's very hard.
There's no make sense.
Some other examples? Edgardo.
If you're a student, you don't have good grade.
Yeah, if you don't study, you don't have good grades. Okay, that's good enough. I think you guys have the idea. Let's go to the next question. All right, a lot of you guys, there were 2 parts to this. First of all, a pony is a little horse, right? Nay! All right? A lot of you guys said a small horse. Some of you guys said a small house. Like 3 people said that. This is a house. A horse is a thing like this. Okay, I teach history, not art.
This is dog.
This is a horse, right?
No, this is dog.
And this is a house. All right. Now, most of you guys, okay, I'm glad you guys are friends. Tell me, so a lot of you guys got the horse part right, but what was the, hey guys, you all right, Pablo?
I believe it.
Okay,
That's enough.
bye-bye. Bye-bye. Okay, what was the Pony Express? A pony's a little horse. Express means to go fast. So, become a big horse? No. Luke? Uh-huh. That's right. It's like express mail now, so I... Okay, Vlad, calm down, buddy. All right, I write a letter to my... I live in the east of the United States. I write an email. I write a letter to my girlfriend who lives in California. Oh, baby, baby. Then I give it. I go and I give money to the guy. He gets on a horse. He's got my letter. Brum, 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 brum. He rides as fast as he can. He stops. He gives it to another guy who gets on a horse. Brum, 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 brum. He gives it to another guy on a horse. Brum, 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 brum. So there's like 10 horses, 15, 20 horses. Each time they give the letter to a new guy on a horse. Right? So it's more than just the Pony Express was before they had railroads, before they had the train. They took turns on a horse. All right? Everybody got it? All right. All of these questions are going to be on a test that we have later. We'll have like 3 quizzes and then 1 test.
Okay.
And so you need to know all the answers to this if you want to do well on the test. The next question. Why was the railroad important for the westward expansion of the United States? Tell me, Cloud.
It can connect all of the United States. It can make the United States stronger, like technology and something to the United States.
Exactly. So now, instead of using horses, which took a long time, with the railroad, all of the United States is connected. The West and the East, they're connected. So they can send letters back and forth. It's technology. So it makes the United States bigger and more powerful. That was the main thing I was looking for. Technology, that they could move faster and communicate. All right, let's see. Was that it? Oh, one more. What is a miner? Somebody besides Cloud or Vlad. Tell me, Thomas. Exactly. It's a guy, it's a person who works in a mine. Usually a man, but there are women too. And they dig. Ching, ching. And usually they have a light, like right here, a light and a helmet.
Is it people that work down?
They work down in the ground. What things do they get out of the ground? Cloud?
Gold.
Or sorry, change?
Gold and minerals.
Gold, minerals,
Diamonds.
coal,
Diamond.
diamonds, metal, lots of things. Okay, very good.
Diamond.
Okay, I want everybody's attention. So that's it for the quiz. To see your grade for this, you can go to MBPS ESOL. And if you click where it says grades, you'll see your grade for the test. I've finished grading everything. I haven't put the grade here into Skyward yet, but I'll do that in the next couple minutes. I don't want you to get back on your computer yet.
Everybody
Keep it like this. Bill, wait just a second. There we go. All right. As you guys know, I'm very old. So old. I have a problem with my back. Remember before I missed a couple days because my back hurt. On Thursday, I have to go for surgery where they beep, 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 and they're going to fix my back so that I'll be extra strong and I can fight against vampires afterwards. But I'm going to be gone. Edgardo, wait. I'm not done. Sit down. I'm glad you're worried about me. I'll be gone on Thursday and Friday, and then I'll be gone all next week. Now, we're going to have a substitute here. And I want you to be very nice with the substitute. I've asked the substitute to write down names of people who are good and also people who are not good. If you're good and you help the substitute, I will be so happy and I will give you extra points. But if you are bad with the substitute, oh, I will be mad. Arr, and I'll probably cry quite a bit. And what we're going to do is Thursday and Friday, you're going to keep reading from the chapter, like what we were doing before. I'm going to put vocabulary in Quizlet and in MBPS ESOL for you to study. Because we missed Monday, your quiz will not be on Friday, your quiz will be on Monday. Next week on Tuesday, I'm going to have a movie for you to watch. But it's not just going to be watch the movie and nothing. You're going to watch the movie, and I'm going to have vocabulary from the movie, and I'll have questions about the movie, and then on Friday you'll have a quiz about the movie. Okay?
Okay.
So, should you be nice to the substitute, or should you be really bad?
Nice.
Nice. Okay, good. Everybody promise they're going to be nice?
No.
Okay, very good. Also, with the substitute, do not miss class. Don't say, oh, there's a sub, I'm going to go over to the cafeteria. They're going to be watching to make sure that you don't, okay? Because Miss Miller's going to be gone on Thursday,
Oh.
too, and Miss Zaid's going to be gone. So it's just Miss Lavery and Miss Zaid, or sorry, Miss Altman. So they're going to be watching to make sure that none of you guys are trying to go do anything like go to the cafeteria. All right. Thank you, guys.